As you can see right now, I'm on my Facebook profile, and you can see that 50 minutes ago, I posted that yesterday I was able to generate $1,000 instant paying commission. Now, this was into my Cash App, and it actually came in at 4:16 a.m., so I was sleeping. Now, what I want to share with you inside this video is how exactly I was able to generate this $1,000 while I was sleeping on total autopilot, and how you can do the same thing. Now, it doesn't matter if you're brand new to making money online. It doesn't matter if you've tried to, and failed in the past. What I'm going to share with you can work for you, whether you're 18 all the way up to 80 years old, whether you're not technical. And I'm going to break this down right now. I go to a document right here. I want to ask you a question. So if you've ever promoted something online, whether you've gone to ClickBank or JVZoo, or you've tried to promote maybe a network marketing business, chances are when you were to make a commission, you maybe only earned $50 per commission, meaning when you go out there online, you post ads, okay, on social media, these get people interested. Then you send those interested people your website, okay? And when they buy, chances are, if you're like most people, if you were like me for many years before I discovered this powerful breakthrough that I'm literally going to pull back the curtain and share with you in this video, then you would, maybe make, like I said, 50 to even, if it's a little bit more, $100 per commission. Okay. Now, why is this a problem? Well, if you want to generate $1,000 in a single day and you're promoting a product that pays you $100, you're going to need 10 people, okay, to buy every single day to make that money. What I did was way easier, and anyone can do this. Again, I'm not special. In fact, if you don't know my story, very quickly, just a few years ago, I was slaving away at a restaurant called Chili's as a waiter. And I remember coming home at the end of the day, so exhausted from being on my feet all day. I was smelling like food, and I would sit in the dark, huddled over my computer, pecking away at my keyboard, just trying to solve this make money online thing. And I made a decision where I said if I ever figured out the secret, I was going to share, because I knew the pain of going through all that trial and error. And one of the biggest breakthroughs was, if you want to generate, again, maybe $1,000, maybe that's why you clicked on this video and you're watching it very, very closely. And as you continue to listen to my voice and watch this entire video, you're going to discover this powerful breakthrough. So what you can realize now as you're listening closely is, if you promote a product that pays you, let's say $1,000 per commission, $2,000 per commission. You only need one person to buy, and you've made $1,000 in a day. The reason I was able to generate right here, okay, $1,000 yesterday was this was one person that sent me $1,000 through Cash App instantly. Okay, this is one person that saw my YouTube video, went to the link underneath this video, saw the value in that program, pulled out their credit card, and got started. Okay, so I didn't need a lot of sales. In fact, I only needed one sale. Now, if you're not promoting a product or a program, an affiliate program that pays you $500 or more per commission, I highly recommend you look for one. Now, a lot of people ask me all the time, and you may have this same question, Garrett, I've looked at different programs. I don't want to research. I don't know which one is the best to join. Well, what I want to do for the remaining of this powerful video is share with you the exact affiliate program that I use, so I can just shortcut your researching phase, and also the exact done for you funnel that you're going to be able to access as well, that I used, that generated this sale on autopilot. Now, there's going to be links directly below this video that you can click on at any time to get more information, watch a free training on how to set everything up very easily. But what I want to do is share with you that the first thing is Easy One Up. Now, maybe you've heard about this powerful, incredibly popular company. People from all over the world are rushing to join this opportunity right now because it pays you 100% commissions instantly, up to $2,000. So there's different levels inside Easy One Up. I have other videos on my channel that you can find yourself eagerly going through, maybe after this video or after you watch the training below, that breaks down Easy One Up in more detail. But what it is it's different training levels, video training, teaching you how to make money online. So the beautiful thing is, when you actually join Easy One Up as an affiliate and as a customer, you get to earn while you learn. So you get to go through this training and actually apply what you're learning to make money, which is incredible. It's not some rehashed garbage like some other, affiliate companies that I don't want to mention. This is actually valuable, okay? And again, it's all the way up to $2,000. Now, the cool thing is if you join at the $2,000 level, not only do you get to earn $2,000 commissions, but you unlock all the other levels. Okay, so it's best to come in as high as possible. And that's what I did. Smart people are going to go in as high as possible so they can get access to all the training and the ability to earn. Now, how did I start to generate sales on autopilot? And how can you as well? Maybe you're someone that's brand new. Maybe you're not technical. Maybe you've tried and failed in the past. Maybe you don't think you're smart, or you think you're too old or too young. This can work for you because people from all over the world have been leveraging this system. Now, this system is called the Profits Passport System. And again, if you haven't been under a rock lately, chances are you've seen this. And the reason you've seen it is because so many people have been joining this, upgrading at the highest level, and getting their first $2,000 day. Okay, how would it feel for a second if you were to, as you're listening very closely to every word that I'm saying, how would it feel if you could vividly imagine right now in your mind being with a friend or a family member, having fun? You feel your phone vibrate, or maybe you hear a ding. You look down and you see an email or a notification that came in saying, congratulations, you just earned a $2,000 sale. How would that feel? How big would you start to smile? How free would you start to feel, realizing that you can now take that money and travel, or you can take it and maybe help out your loved ones, or buy something you've always wanted? Well, it's totally possible with this program. Okay, now the way Profits Passport works is it's a free system, it's a free funnel that you can use to make easy one-up commissions. And all you do is, again, at the link below, you go through the process, create an account, and then income stream number one is easy one-up. So you would just create an easy one-up account here, put in your ID, your affiliate ID, and if you don't know how to do that, you click here for a tutorial, save it, and then all you do is you get your affiliate link here. Okay, and I'll show you what it looks like, and you send people to this page. It gives you a capture page, it gives you a high converting sales video, and it gives you done for you follow-up emails that start following up with your leads. This is absolutely incredible. Okay, now what I want to share with you too is, again, remember, all we're doing is posting ads on social media. You send those interested people to your website, this website, and because this funnel is done for you, it's going to do all the selling and following up for you. That's how I was able to generate $1,000 while sleeping. I'm not special. And in fact, to help you, because I'm dedicated to getting you the results you want, I know the struggle, I know the pain, I know what it's like to not know where your next paycheck's going to come from. I know what it's like to, be having debt collectors constantly calling you and harassing you, and you just want a way out. And that's why I'm making this video. So as a bonus, when you join me, no matter what level you join at, now obviously if you join at the higher levels, you'll get more bonuses, but you're going to get copy paste ads that I've personally used on my social media that has generated hundreds of comments of people asking for more information. You can swipe and post that on your profile as soon as today. You're going to get access to my step-by-step over-the-shoulder video training on exactly what I do in 30 to 60 minutes a day to get these results, as well as the done-for-you funnel and more. Okay, so thanks so much for watching, my friend. This is how I did it. There's no secret. I just broke down exactly what I did. Now it's up to you. Don't let limiting beliefs. Oh, he can do it because he has a big social media. People that are joining me are posting on Craigslist. Okay, you can do this without a following. You don't need to have any previous experience. Stop limiting yourself. Stop stopping yourself from succeeding. When is now the right time to join and get the results you want? You deserve it. If I can do this, you can do this. I dropped out of college. I was a C student. I barely, know how to create a website, but I figured this out, and now I want to help you do the same. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you at the link below.